Give smart. Save smart.
Spend smart.
Smart Jars is the fun, simple way to teach kids about money. Giving to those in need, saving for the future, and spending responsibly.
I've been using smart jars for more than 15 years. This jar I've brought to the bank since I was 3 years old. Still holding up.
Here's how Smart Jars works. Each week, give the kids an allowance, which they put into their 3 smart jars. They bring their give jars to their house of worship or charity. Once or twice a month, they bring their save jars to the bank, and they use their spend jars for fun things like toys, video games, and ice cream. And the benefits are incredible. With smart jars, kids will learn about paper versus metal money, practice handling and counting coins and bills, make a difference in the community, establish savings habits early in life, develop healthy spending habits, conduct business in a bank, practice manners, bond with family, and have fun doing it.
When I was really little, around 3 or 4 years old, my dad would lift me onto the counter at the bank so I could talk to the teller and make a deposit.
One time, maybe I was 7 or 8, I wanted to spend $20 of my money on a Star Wars lightsaber. Dad thought it was poorly made, but I bought it anyway. It broke in minutes, and I cried a lot.
My favorite memories are bonding with my dad. Every Saturday, he'd make us pancakes, and then we'd do allowance.
In 2015, the Washington Post wrote about our allowance system, so I knew we were onto something special. That's why we created Smart Jars. Each Smart Jars kit contains 3 plastic jars, 3 metal tops, 9 artist-designed labels, cool stickers, 3 shiny real nickels, an instruction booklet, and a sturdy storage box.
Hi, I'm the mom. Smart Jars has shaped how our kids think about money. If you're looking for a gift for a 3 to 12-year-old that's educational and fun, then Smart Jars is the perfect choice.
Give smart, save smart, spend smart. Smart Jars!